Hello. Um, let's back up Windows 11 in case if something happening, it will crash and you can't find anything. So let's do it. First, find the control panel. And the control panel view by you choose a large icon. In the large icon, find the backup and restore Windows 7. From here, and create a system image. This one. In create a system image window, you automatically find the driver. So okay, maybe I choose this big one. 2T and next. Which drive do you want to include? Okay, I want to back up my system. Only C. Yeah. Next. Confirm my backup setting, location, and okay. Stop the backup. It takes some time. This will take some time. But nearly. Okay. This system image backup successfully completed. So in case my PC can't boot up or can't start or something wrong, so I just need to insert my Windows 11 installation USB to the computer and boot and click repair your computer. Go to troubleshoot and advanced options and find system image recovery. I will recover my PC to the fresh. Okay, thank you for watching.